yeah.
Sure. Which kind of matter be this one? I don't understand. First, you go pay 45,000 naira. I now fit sleep for hotel wey lodge. I dey talk and you dey snore. When you come that, I say, "Man, you not drink beer." You say, "No, you drink 2 beer." I look you, I lock up. You say you want shop shawarma. I look you, I lock up. You want shop chin, I look you, I lock up. Now see the result. I no fit sleep in peace.
Chai.
Madam, behave o, behave o.
Let me sleep.
I not say make you not sleep but not snore. You dey disturb the peace of this hotel. Let's see,
Let's watch this video. Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
Behave yourself now. What kind of snoring is this? How can a man be snoring like this?
Can't matter with that. You behave yourself before now, not behave myself now. My girl carry no be smudge and buy.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Hey!